produced 31 vehicles today. 10 were sedans, 10 were vans, and 11 were trucks. Plant managers are going to choose 2 of these vehicles for thorough inspection. The first vehicle will be chosen at random, and then the second vehicle will be chosen at random from the remaining vehicles. What is the probability that 2 trucks will be selected? Okay, so let's pick out some important information that we need for the problem. So we know that there's 11 trucks. There's 31 vehicles all together that were made. And we need to know how many trucks because they're going to randomly select 2 and they made 31. Now another important thing in here is it says that the second vehicle will be chosen at random from the remaining vehicles. So that's what's ever left over. Okay, so the formula that we're going to use for this problem, of course, is the probability. So we'll say the probability of A times the probability of B given A. Oh, where did my pencil go? Let me see, I may need to erase that. Okay. Okay. Given A. Okay, and that simply means that B can only occur if A occurred. So if A doesn't occur, then B cannot occur. In most cases, that's written as the probability of A/B. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we will need is 11 trucks. So we'll write down 11. And the reason we write down 11 is because they want to know what's the probability of 2 trucks being selected. So we're going to focus on the trucks. So we have 11 trucks. Overall, there were 31 vehicles. Okay, so now remember here we said in the statement it said the second vehicle will be chosen at random from the remaining vehicles. So that means if one is selected at random on the first round, then that leaves us with 30 vehicles instead of 31. So we'll put 30 there. And also, if A was chosen on the first time around, then that will, if a truck was chosen on the first time around, then that means that that would leave us with 10 trucks instead of 11 trucks. And so the next thing we would do is that we would multiply. And so we can pull out our calculators. Let me see. Pull out my calculator. Okay, and then we'll just multiply it out and see what we get. So we'll multiply 31 times 30, and that gives us 930. So that gives us 930, and 11 times 10 gives us 110. Now we need to simplify this. By looking at this, I automatically know that 10 can go into 110, an even number of times, as well as 930. So 10 will go into 110 11 times, and 10 will go into 930 93 times. So that's our answer.